In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively open a project or team and add a new task within it. Let's dive right into it, making this a clear and easy process you can follow step by step. First, you want to start by navigating to your home screen. This is where your journey begins, and from here, you will identify the specific project or team where you need to add a task. You'll see a list of all your projects or teams. Simply click on the one that best suits your current needs. This intuitive start helps keep everything organized and ensures that your tasks are under the right banner. Once inside your chosen project or team, direct your attention to the To-Dos section. You'll find this neatly located in the project's navigation bar. This is your central hub for task management in the project. Here, you have two options depending on your needs. You can either open an existing list where related tasks are already housed, or, if you're starting fresh, click on Make a New List to create a new set of tasks. With your to-do list ready, it's time to insert your new task. Look for the Add a To-Do button within your chosen list and give it a click. This is where you shape the task itself. The next step is crucial for clarity and accountability. Go ahead and type in the name of the task. Let's say you're working on your website and need to design a homepage banner. Below this task name, you'll see several options to give your task context and assign responsibilities. You can assign the task to one or multiple teammates, ensuring that the right people are notified and can plan their workload accordingly. Click to assign a teammate and select who will be responsible from the drop-down list. Additionally, if this task has a timeline, you can set a due date. This optional feature helps keep your project on track by knuckling down on deadlines. Simply pick a date from the calendar, and it will be recorded alongside the task. Another feature you can utilize is adding details or notes. This section allows you to explain what needs to be done further, providing clarity and direction. The notes can include specific instructions or reminders, making sure everyone is on the same page. Once everything is duly filled out, you're almost done. All that's left is to click Add this to do. With this final step, your task is formally added to the list. The system will automatically notify the assigned teammate or teammates of their new responsibility, ensuring everyone is aware of what's expected with timely notifications or even emails. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and assigned a new task within your project or team, making your workflow streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering your project management skills.